Welcome to this tutorial on how to view and download reports in Prep. To get started, click Reports from the left-hand navigation panel. Select the report type you want to view. You can also set a custom date range for more specific insights. Then, choose the organization from the drop-down menu. Once selected, the report will load on the Reports page. To export the report, click Print View. Then click the Download button to save it as a PDF. The downloaded report provides a detailed, department-wise summary of users, file usage, and API usage. That's it. You've now successfully viewed and downloaded reports in Prep. Thank you.